Okay, so in this video, I'm showing you how to add new users to your website. So at the moment, I've created a second user, but this is what it looked like before I did that. Along the left here, you would just click users. And then over here, there was only you. So your name, and you were the main user. You have control of everything. So the administrator role, and you can change anything on the website. So if you want to have someone who just is going to write blog posts for the website, and you don't want them to have access to anything else, so they can't change anything else, then you would add a new user, and then give them a role, either editor or author, depending on what you want the person to do. So as an example, I've added a new user. So you would click here, add new, and then I created a guest user named, I used my name, and then my email, and then I gave the role of author. So this means if they would log in to the website, so when you go to here and then /WP admin, so umbrellaextravaganza.com/WP admin. And then if you click that, then it would load where you need to put your email and password. We're already logged in with yours, but then they would use the new email and password. So I'll show you where they would get that. If you make a profile for them, you can give it to them. So here, when you add a new user, so over here I wrote guest, like this, and then email, I did that, and then name. You don't have to fill out all of these, and then password, show password, and then you can make any password you want here. So let's just say pass 1234. It can be anything, and then obviously you need to remember that, and then you would give them, well, it would be their email that you put here, and then you give them this password, and that's how they can log into the website. And here's where you choose the role. So you have this role. If you want someone else to be able to access everything and change anything, like the products, or manage your customers, or do anything to the website, then you would give them the role of administrator. If you want someone just to be able to edit text and things on the website, but not to change any functions, so they wouldn't be able to delete your shop, or do any major things. They could only change the text and the visual things that people see on the website. Then you give them the role of editor. And then if you want someone to only write blog posts, these over here, then you would give them the role of author. So they can't access anything else, like your products and things like that. So you would say author, and then you create the profile. And then under users, which is over here, then you would see this new profile here. So all the profiles created would be here. So if you have a marketing team, then you can create a new profile for someone, and then say what you want them to be able to access. And then you would see that here next to your username. And then if a customer creates an account and then they want to buy things, then when they sign up, they use an email and they create a password. So if you go here to customer, then if you displayed all the customers, then you would only see people who are customers here. So yeah, here's where you can see all the roles of people, and then add a new role.